Hey folks, Jake over at Heartland Marine. I'm going to do a walk around video. Today I've got a 2010 Sea Ray 300 SLX. Really nice boat. It did see saltwater at one point, but it doesn't show a lot of signs, so it's not all, doesn't look all salty. It is navy blue. It's kind of hard to see. Navy blue and white with black bottom paint. The bottom paint was done this year. Got your windlass, docking lights, bow plate, a couple little scuffs there, not very deep. I'm not going to worry about those. Now if you need a trailer, this trailer is available. It's a triple axle aluminum by Watermade. That trailer's probably, I think he'd let it go for probably $6,500. I'll find out for sure, but it's probably going to be pretty close to that. Little scuff there. I like the look of these better without this stripe down here at the bottom, and take off that SLX. I think it looks like $1,000,000. A couple scuffs here. Got into a dock. Once it's buffed, that might lighten up a little bit. This boat does have sea deck throughout the entire thing. It's also got trim tabs, twin 350s, I believe 366 or 67 hours. So if you look at like the trim tabs and all the stainless steel and everything drives, it doesn't really look real salty. So that's kind of what I was saying. He didn't think it was in the saltwater very long. Swim platform, nice. It's not all banged up. Really, condition wise on the outside, there's not much that I got to fix, really anything. So if there was anything into the fiberglass, with fiberglass showing, we would seal it. A couple little scratches. All I'm seeing is just kind of light surface stuff. I'm going to get it uncovered and we'll go inside. All right, so extended swim platform. Like I said earlier, you've got the sea deck flooring all throughout the boat. Got the two pads to sit and face the water. Full U-shaped seat with a filler that goes right in here. And all the vinyl was really nice. I mean, there wasn't much that I noticed right offhand. We'll kind of look a little closer at it. Wet bar with cooktop, fridge, tilt out trash can, sink, double wide captain's chair with the bolster. This one does have joystick docking. Now on a 2010, that is super rare to find. Garmin GPS, Mercury vessel view, that'll tell you everything that's going on with the motors. This seat's kind of cool. So you've got a back-to-back seat here. It's on a track as well. Lift this up. That slides, so then you've got basically a lounger facing backward. Or opposite way. Lounger facing forward. Got all the filler cushions for the front. This one does have the porcelain head pump out. Got your wind dam door, and then storage here in the helm. Couple tables. So the wind door, close that, close the windshield, blocks off all the airflow through the cockpit. Then bow seats are all nice. There was maybe one spot I wanted to point out. Since it's on the filler, I'm not going to fix it, but it's minor. So this is the filler I was talking about, and it's just right here in the bottom corner, and then here, and then, like I said, it's just a filler seat for that. So not a huge deal for me, but if somebody wants it done, my vinyl guy might be able to do it pretty cheap, so I can get a quote on that if somebody's pretty particular. Now, some of the stitching, like the SLX, is kind of starting to pull a little loose, but that's just the emblem. Overall, it's a nice boat. I mean, there's not much to apologize for. Oh, one thing I forgot to point out: you do have the arch, and we've got the bimini for it. The arch is stationary, so it does not fold. Yeah, so this is the 2010 Sea Ray 300 SLX. If anybody has questions, feel free to give me a call. My cell phone number is going to be listed in the description below. I appreciate you watching. And if this isn't the boat for you, I've got plenty of other ones in stock. So just let me know what you're looking for. Jake at Heartland Marine. Thanks again.